Today we're going to be installing the Skidoo medium-sized windshield kit with the Skidoo mirrors. You may not know, but in some jurisdictions mirrors are required, and I wanted a bigger windshield obviously to provide protection from the cold. So the first thing you do is pop the old windshield off, and that's pretty easy to do. It's just held on with a couple of grommets. And then the next thing that you have to do is pop these little covers off on both sides. Next, install 2 grommets that are provided with the kit. Now it's time to assemble the windshield. The 2 wings, I guess that's what they're called, as wings, get attached to either side of the windshield with 3 screws on each side. And then the windshield simply snaps in place. There's a clip in the front down by the pointy part of the windshield that gets snapped in place, and then it snaps into 3 grommets on each side. Here's a comparison of the old windshield compared to the new one. You can see that the new one's only a couple inches taller, but it is much wider, which I think will provide much more wind blocking. After marking the holes for the mirrors with the provided template, carefully drill 2 holes on each side of the windshield. I went extra slow here to be careful not to crack the windshield, providing constant pressure. Now we simply attach the mirrors with the 2 provided screws. The screws come with thread locker already applied. And there you have it. One Skidoo medium windshield with attached mirrors, keeping you legal on the trail.